Driver discrimination? We're all forced to, under the law, to buy car insurance in order to drive here in Michigan.
But some of us are paying more because of our relationship status or even our gender. But we found out the state is letting it fly under the radar. 7 Action News reporter Kim Russell's investigation found the legal loophole that's allowing it to happen.
This is the Insurance Code of 1956. It says that we cannot be discriminated against when it comes to insurance prices based on gender or marital status. But one woman found out in the most heartbreaking of ways that's exactly what's happening. Melinda McKee's husband, Jim, last fall got news that stopped them in their tracks. He had stage 4 lung cancer. In January this year, he died.
I'm still mourning his loss. I miss him like crazy.
She called her insurance company to cancel the insurance on his leased vehicle. She got shocking news.
I got a letter from AAA that indicated that because I was considered a widow, that I was being put in a higher risk category.
Even though she has a perfect driving record, she says her rates went from under $200 for 2 vehicles to more than $300 for 1.
It's completely unfair.
Request quotes from other insurance companies, and you see, they do it too. When I said I was a single woman, Allstate's Esurance quote was $294 per month. Change the gender, and that number drops to $230. The penalty for being a woman? 28%. At Progressive, the female penalty is 18%. In both cases, married men paid more than single men, and single women more than married women.
There's a law right on point that says that women cannot be charged more than men. Nor should they, by the way, because statistically, women are actually safer drivers.
I went to the Insurance Alliance of Michigan. They said the state insurance commissioner rubber stamps all rates in Michigan as reasonable.
Because the department can pull their license, they can fine them. There's all sorts of recourse there.
We went to the state insurance commissioner, Patrick McFarland's office. He was not available, but his public information officer said gender discrimination is allowed.
That's perfectly legal when they're selling the group insurance policies.
Turns out there's a law meant to let groups like AARP offer less regulated insurance policies to save members money. But insurance companies have figured out if they file paperwork saying they're a group, they can skirt regulations.
It almost sounds like the insurance companies make up these groups in order to not have to follow regulations.
They're following the law.
Is there any way for this office to force insurance companies not to discriminate when it comes to the prices they offer to women and widows?
Essentially, it is what it is.
I think the political reality is that the insurance companies in the state have tremendous power.
So what do insurance companies have to say? Esurance and Progressive both provided statements saying they're following the law. But they did not in those statements deny that marital status and gender impact prices. AAA said it would work to fix this issue and would be reaching out to Melinda McKee. The insurance commissioner's office says that lawmakers could fix this, but ironically, Esurance is using the words of one lawmaker to defend its actions. I'll take a look at her relationship with insurance companies tomorrow on 7 Action News. She's Livingston Representative Lana Tice. Kim Russell, 7 Action News.